What if one morning you woke up, stepped outside, and discovered that the sun had suddenly turned into a black hole? Before panicking, let's clarify. Black holes don't magically vacuum everything. They obey the same gravity rules as stars do. So, if the sun instantly became a black hole of the same mass, Earth would keep orbiting at the same distance. That means no dramatic spiraling into darkness, no spaghettification, just a very, very cold and dark Earth. The black hole would be tiny compared to the sun, about 6 kilometers wide, yet just as massive. So, in place of our shining star, we'd see a dark patch with stars behind it, distorted into eerie rings. This phenomenon is called gravitational lensing. It makes starlight bend around the black hole's edge. Pretty, yes, but not helpful when your planet is freezing, your crops are dying, and penguins are laughing at you. Without sunlight, Earth cools fast. Within a week, the surface drops below freezing everywhere. In a year, oceans start freezing over. Only geothermal vents and deep seas remain liquid sanctuaries. Most plants die quickly, starved of light. Photosynthesis collapses. Oxygen levels plummet in centuries. Animals follow. Food chains break. The only survivors are extremophils, bacteria, and YouTubers with candles. Humans could last in domed cities powered by nuclear fusion, geothermal heat, or really big batteries. But without sunlight, Earth turns into a frozen wasteland, an ice ball drifting in space. Meanwhile, the solar system changes dramatically. The planets keep orbiting, but everything grows darker. Jupiter and Saturn still shine faintly from internal heat. But Venus is no longer Earth's evil twin. It's just ice. And poor Mars, already cold, now freezes into the solar system's saddest ice cube. But hey, night skies would look amazing. Billions of stars, galaxies, and the glowing lensing halo. Unfortunately, admiring them would be hard when you're busy building an underground bunker sauna. So far, we've assumed the sun just changed. But what if it collapsed in a realistic way? Stars like the sun don't usually turn into black holes. They become white dwarfs after puffing up as red giants. To make the sun a black hole, you'd need to magically add mass, several times more than it has now. That collapse would trigger a supernova, a cosmic explosion brighter than billions of stars. Earth wouldn't survive. First, an intense flash of radiation cooks everything. Then shockwaves vaporize the planet. So, yeah, if the sun went black hole naturally, we wouldn't be around to complain about the cold. Let's stick with the instant magical switch version. It's friendlier to science fiction and survivors. Could humans escape? Maybe. We'd need interstellar ships heading for nearby stars like Proxima Centauri. But that's 4.2 light-years away. With current rockets, it would take tens of thousands of years, so unless you're into multi-millennium road trips with 0 pit stops, survival looks grim. Still, humans are stubborn. We'd huddle underground, build reactors, and complain about frozen Wi-Fi. Some dreamers might even try to orbit closer to the black hole, harnessing its energy with giant collectors. But get too close and you risk tidal forces ripping your spaceship apart, aka spaghettification. Not the fun kind of spaghetti, the you are now Lingany kind. Over time, the black hole's sun would drift silently, carrying its planets like ornaments in the dark. Alien astronomers might one day see our frozen world and wonder, who left this cosmic popsicle here? And maybe, just maybe, they'd find our frozen Netflix accounts and wonder why we watch so much reality TV. So, what if the sun was a black hole? We'd orbit as usual, but in darkness, ice, and ironic starlight. Survival would be slim, but at least we'd have the best night sky in the galaxy until we froze solid. On the bright side, oh wait, there is no bright side anymore. Unless you count the lesson. Appreciate the sun while it's still a glowing ball, not a cosmic blender. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. More crazy what-if stories are waiting for you.